Hi everybody, my name is Jamie and welcome to my channel, The Minimalist Mom, where I share my own personal stories, product reviews, and pretty much cover any topic I feel is important. These are so good, by the way. So I was just tossing around ideas, deciding on what I wanted my next video to be, and then I just thought to myself, it may actually be a good idea to do an infant's medicine starter kit. Considering the fact that my son is now 9 months old, these are just a few of the medicines that I've accumulated over that period of time. Though I'm not a major advocate of giving my child medicine, there are just certain scenarios that the medicine has really come in handy. So the first product is Aquaphor Baby. A lot of babies have really dry skin or they get eczema. I apply it on my son like 1 to 2 times a day, especially when he gets out of the bath, and it really helps out. The next product is Infant's Motrin. Now, I didn't start using this until my son was about 6 months old and was teething. I also never give my child the recommended amount. I always give him a little bit less. I just don't want to drown my child in medicine, but it really does help when he's teething. Now, this next product is recommended if your child has gas. I hope I'm saying this correctly, but I believe it's called Mylicon. Now, let me tell you a quick story. About several months ago, my son was screaming, crying for hours upon hours upon hours, and I honestly did not know what was wrong with him. This was a pain cry. So I rushed him to the emergency room. I demanded that the doctor do an x-ray on his abdomen area. It turned out he had severe gas. He actually showed me the x-ray and it concerned me so much. So that's why I'm comfortable giving him gas relief medicine. And one tidbit of information I wanted to share, the CVS pharmacist pointed out to me, you always want to look for the products that say dye-free. Next is children's Benadryl, hence the word children's. From my personal research, I did not find an infant's Benadryl. So make sure you contact your doctor and find out the proper dosage for the age that your infant is at. And again, be sure to look for dye-free. Now, if your infant is congested and they have a little bit of a stuffy nose, go ahead and get the Saline spray and drops. And lastly, infant's Tylenol. The reason why I keep this on hand helps out with fevers. And when your infant is teething, sometimes they adopt a fever. Honestly, if you're a new mom like me, I didn't know any of this stuff. That's why I decided that I wanted to share the infant's medicine starter kit with all of you. So feel free to comment below if you know any other infant medicines that may help other people. Till next time, take care. Bye-bye.